How to install and use. Install the base. Turn the flat side of the base up. Align the 4 brackets with the screw holes on the base and tighten the screws to fix them. Screw the 4 casters on each of the 4 brackets. Casters have 2 with a latch. For ease of use, it is recommended that the 2 with a latch installed in the same direction. Chassis and base fixed. First, reverse the installed base on the ground. Lift the chassis up. The ring on the chassis stuck in the base of the ring on the opening. There are screw holes on the chassis and the base. 2 screw holes aligned, fixed with screws. The other side of the same need to be fixed with screws. Installation of the base beautiful shell. There are screw holes respectively in the front and back. Align the card on the base, fixed with screws. Casters can be locked. Install the handle bracket. The 3 screw holes of the handle bracket are aligned with the 3 screw holes on the metal bracket rod of the machine, fixed with screws. Pay attention to the direction of the open end of the handle bracket to the rear. Install the filter cup. Align the filter cup with the socket and insert it firmly. It needs to be installed tightly, otherwise it will affect the suction power. Install the handle connecting cable. Install the cooling head. Align the socket and tighten it by turning it clockwise. Align the socket and tighten it by turning it clockwise. Install the negative bar. Align it and turn it clockwise to tighten. To install the foot switch, open the cover, align the plug, and turn clockwise to tighten. Filling the instrument with water. Attach an adapter to the hose funnel and insert the hose funnel into the water inlet. Plug the hose funnel into the water inlet and the other adapter into the overflow. Fill the funnel with about 3 liters of pure or distilled water until water flows out of the overflow. When the water flow is finished, press the metal plate on the connection part. Remove the adapter and the hose funnel. After checking all the handles are installed, connect the power supply and turn on the machine. After checking all the handles are installed, connect the power supply and turn on the machine. Fractional RF and Microneedle RF. Select the desired operating head according to the treatment area. Select the corresponding operating head and click to enter the interface. Intensity, range 1 to 10. Suggest 3 to 8. Active pulse, range 10 to 900 ms. Interval time, recommended 0.5 to 1.0. You can refer to the energy parameter suggestion table. Mode. Cooling head. Tap here to save the parameters. Tap here. The green color changes to gray. Enter the ready state. Foot pedal to start operation. The number of operations is displayed here. Microneedle RF. Select the corresponding operating head and click. Intensity, range 1 to 10. Suggest 3 to 8. Active pulse, range 10 to 900 ms. Parameter recommendation table. Depth, the depth of the needle. Parameter recommendation table. Pressure level, suction gear. Cooling head, 0 to 3 steps. Bi and mono cell. Bi and mono cell monopolar. Bi and mono cell bipolar. Mode. Tap here to save the parameters. The number of operations is displayed here. You can switch languages here. Instrument drained or water changed. Plug an adapter into the overflow. Rotate and unscrew the drain cap. Water will flow out of the drain until it runs out. Put the drain cap back on and remove the adapter. Instrument maintenance. Replacement of fuse. When the fuse is blown, it needs to be replaced. Operation of fractional RF. We recommend that you take a photo of the area for the first time. Clean the operation area. Apply gel RF cream evenly to the operation area. It is prohibited to operate without medium. Check whether the fractional RF operating head is intact or not. If it is broken, do not use it. One hand holds the operating handle. The other hand lifts the skin upward to hold it in place. From the jawline to the bottom of the ear, the corner of the mouth to the middle of the ear, and the nose to the top of the ear. Move evenly to lift the operation. Note: lift the forehead from the top of the eyebrows to the hairline in slow movements. Do the same for the other side of your face. From the jawline to the bottom of the ear, the corner of the mouth to the middle of the ear, and the nose to the top of the ear. Move evenly to lift the operation. Localized enhancement of the operation is possible in the area of skin laxity. Lift and circle the eye area, according to the operation time of the treatment demand operation. After the operation, wipe off the excess gel or RF cream. Apply medical cold compress for 15–20 minutes. Operation of microneedle RF items to prepare. Clean face. Use the film adjusting stick to evenly wipe the epidermal numbing cream on the operation area. After applying, use the clean film to cover the top. Wait for 30–45 minutes. Sterilize the instrument screen and handle. Scrape off the hemp cream covering the plastic wrap with a film adjusting stick. Sterilize the operation site with gauze dipped in iodine, and then wipe the operation site with gauze dipped in saline. Operator wearing disposable medical gloves. Select the operating head according to the size of the operation site and install the disposable operating head on the handle. Adjust the parameters. Selection of operating conditions for different modes. Type 3 collagen tightening set use. Apply the mixed type 3 collagen tightening ACT to the working area. Note, if there is blood seepage, use saline-soaked gauze to gently press on it. Cover the whole operation area 1 to 2 times. You can focus on the areas that need to be improved for more than one operation. Operation of the forehead. Eye and nose, choose a mating head. Note: avoid eyeballs and eyebrows. Nose. Apply the mixed type 3 collagen tightening ACT to the working area. After absorb, apply soothing crystal mask. Calms and soothes the skin, reduces swelling and redness. Take a piece of gauze. Moisten the gauze with the remaining liquid from the packet and apply to the area outside the mask. Cooling head. 3 speeds recommended. Operating time: 15–20 minutes recommended. At the end of the time, remove the mask. Clean your face with saline-soaked gauze. Treatment recommendation: